What's up YouTube? Got a pair of KD12s here. Now this is a colorway you can't get on StockX, but there's still an affiliate marketing link to buy other KD12s on StockX. This is a really nice colorway. The KD12 is not the most popular KD shoe. As you can see on the end here, it says Kevin Durant, 12th edition. Pretty nice little shoe if you ask me. Gonna throw this on foot here. What do you guys think of the KD12? I wonder why it wasn't so successful. I think it has something to do with the fact that he was injured this season. The KD13 is coming out soon. I might get those for a video. Let me know if you want to see that in the comment section below. Got very interesting bottoms here. I don't know why they don't have this colorway on StockX. I'm going to send in a request to add it. I'll show you guys how to do that here, and maybe they'll throw this on StockX so that you guys can actually get this colorway. Otherwise, if you want this specific colorway, you're going to have to look elsewhere. But if you want KD12s in general, check out the affiliate marketing link to buy them on StockX in the description. Anyway, these are very nice. I'm going to throw them on foot. Let me know what you think. Gonna lace them up here on camera. This has been requested in the past. I've gotten DMs saying like, we want to watch you put the shoes on. Too bad there's stuffing inside. So I got the first one here on foot, and I'm noticing a lot of this like moon type pattern on the tongue here. If you can tell me about this, let me know in the comment section. I mean, this is an aesthetically pleasing shoe. The only thing I'm not too sure about is if it's great for basketball. Like, I'm feeling very little support around my ankle. There's a lot of stuffing in these. Throwing the second one on here. I do think they're comfortable shoes to run around with. I don't trust them for basketball. They definitely look pretty sick with these jeans here. This is a pair of nudies. If you like nudies like these, or jeans that stack really well to rock with your sneakers, check out the Amazon affiliate link in the description to buy yourself a pair of nudies. It'll definitely help the channel out. Pretty sticky sounding. I would definitely give these a try for basketball. I just don't trust them because KD got injured during the finals. And before that. Because they feel pretty good on foot. Check out the affiliate marketing links in the description. The shoes are pretty nice. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye. Before I go, I thought I'd show you the inside of these shoes here. It's kind of like a little model of the shoe with the zoom unit at the back here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Goodbye.